Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another exciting video. Yeah, welcome back to Clara's Corner. In today's video, I'm here to share this amazing hair growth, extreme hair growth recipe that can grow your edges, grow your hair, stop your hair from falling, make your hair thicker in just 2 weeks. This recipe will wow you. And if you're here, you're having hair challenge of hair breakage, hair dandruff, whatever kind of hair issue, I urge you to make this recipe for yourself. Get these ingredients, make this recipe, and use this cream on your hair. You will come back definitely to thank me later. Number one ingredient I have here is Blue Seal Vaseline. Blue Seal Vaseline, not any other Vaseline. It is Blue Seal Vaseline. I'm going to be using this Blue Seal Vaseline as a base for this hair cream. The second one is rosemary. Rosemary is a hair growth ingredient that we'll be using to make this cream. And another one is cloves. I have cloves here for this recipe. And the fourth one is fenugreek seed. I have fenugreek seed. These three ingredients here particularly merge with the Vaseline. We'll be using the four of them to make this particular hair growth cream. So I will be adding the Vaseline into the glass jar here. I'm going to be adding this is 250 grams of Vaseline. I'm going to be adding every bit of it into the glass jar. After adding the Vaseline into it, I'm going to also add the other ingredients into this glass jar. I'll be listing the ingredients and all the measurements in the description area, so do well to check the description area to get all the ingredients, the recipe, and their measurements. Like I said earlier, if you're having hair challenge, if you're having hair breakage, hair thinning, hair loss, hair dandruff, whatever kind of hair challenge you're having, I would suggest you make this particular recipe for yourself. Try this recipe out and make it. Get these ingredients, make it for yourself, use it on your hair. I bet you within 2 weeks, your hair is going to bounce back. Okay, guys, I'll be adding the rosemary, the cloves, and the fenugreek seed into the same jar as the Vaseline. I'm going to incorporate all of them together and get them set for double boiling process. Rosemary leaves stimulates growth of the hair follicles. It improves blood flow to the scalp. Rosemary helps fight dandruff due to its antifungal properties, and it can help reverse hair damage due to its antioxidant property. On the other hand, the cloves also has so many antifungal and antioxidant property that can help reverse a damaged hair. The third one, which is the fenugreek seed, is also a powerful hair growth herbs that will help your hair to bounce back when it is damaged. Here I am done adding all of them together into this glass jar. So I'm going to place it in a hot boiling water on a low heat to steam for like 1 hour. Mind you, I said on a low heat. You're going to be placing it into this hot boiling water on a very low heat to steam for like 1 hour. Guys, after heating it for like 1 hour, the Vaseline melted into the three other ingredients and everything incorporated very well. So after that process, the next thing to do is to sieve out the three other ingredients into that was added into the Vaseline. So I'm here sieving it out. After sieving, I'll be pouring it back into a fresh container, or I'll be using the same Vaseline container I used to remove the Vaseline. I'm going to pour it back there and allow it to cool down completely. After cooling down, voila, your extreme hair growth cream is ready for use. This hair cream is very, very powerful. It can grow hair so fast. It can stimulate hair growth so rapidly. This is the best, best, best ingredient you can use to grow your hair fast. I tell you, in the space of 2 weeks, I was able to grow my edges that went all out. I was able to grow it back in full. My edges came back very full and revived my damaged hair. So if you're looking for any recipe that will help you fast to grow your hair, go for this recipe. This recipe is the recipe that you're looking for. This recipe will help your hair, your damaged hair, reverse so well. Okay, guys, after pouring it in here, I'm going to be leaving it to stay for like 30 minutes. After like 30 minutes, it's going to thicken back and form a thick cream. You can leave it this way to thicken on a natural air, or you can put it inside your freezer to thicken up. After 30 minutes, this is what it's going to look like. Exactly this way. It's going to thicken back, and this is your hair cream, extreme growth hair cream. This is the hair cream your hair is looking for. Whether you have a damaged hair or you have a hair that is just normal, this is the hair cream that your hair deserve. It will give your hair very healthy hair texture. So go for this particular hair cream and make your hair look healthy and beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this video to this end. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Do well to like this video, share this video to whoever needs it, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much, and God bless you for watching. Then see you in my next video. Bye, guys.